Hi, I'm Shawn.
Hi, I'm Brittney, and I'm the owner of Queen Bee's Royal Cleanings.
And we took classes with Dave Thompson. I personally like the fact that the hands-on training, he was great, very informative. If I didn't understand something, he made sure I understood. Even when I tried to do something wrong, he didn't let me do something wrong. I really enjoyed the in-house training with him.
And for myself, I really, as the owner of a business, I really am glad that I brought my team members along with me to get the training, not just for myself, but for they can understand as well, instead of me trying to go back and teach them. I am really highly excited about these courses and everything that we learn from safety and other methods of using different equipment and different technology and different things of, how we can get different jobs done in a more efficient, smarter and not harder way. And we've taken at least 3 courses in the last 2 weeks, so that should definitely tell you something. I highly recommend that you come in, take the courses in person if you can, and get the education and the knowledge that you need to go ahead and better enhance your business and better quality services for your clients. So I definitely recommend coming in, taking courses with Dave at the Academy of Cleaning Excellence.
And I also say he's taught me that they didn't say what we were doing was wrong. He taught us that there's no one way to do something. There's more he gave me options. That's what I'll say. He gave me options. And when I left the classes last week, I look forward to going out and implementing the things that I learned from him. So please come and check him out, and you'll be very glad that you came.
Thank you.